Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. So I'm super excited to share some of my Valentine's projects. So this year I've decided to do something different as far as how I tackle the swaps that I'm in. So first, this year, one of the changes for me are I'm trying to do more one-on-one swaps versus group swaps. And with the swaps that I am in, I want to start by working on the basis of my projects first. Then the next step will be creating, the items to go into the project because, I make a lot of 3D projects. So I would have to fill the boxes or the totes. So then I would work on that. And then the last thing I would do is decorate and embellish, my project. So I've already started on a couple or maybe three bases for my partners because I'm in three one-on-one swaps. So some of the projects are the same and some are going to be different because each one we agreed, to different requirements. So let me just share the first project here that I finished. And again, remember, these are not decorated. These are just the basis. So I'm just going to show you all what I've done so far. So what I did was I created these phones and I used Christian, who is Christian's Crafty Adventures here on YouTube and Instagram. Christian is phenomenal. She's been on YouTube for a while, for a long, a long time, like me, and she has amazing tutorials, really easy to follow. And this is one of her older tutorials. I would say what, maybe at least 3 to 4 years old. I think. Yeah. So I made it before, but it's been a while. So I'm trying to do pull out some oldies but goodies. And I shared this on my Instagram. So each of my partners are going to get a phone. The only thing is I did two things different. Let's see here. I added layers to my phone along the lid of the boxes because this phone actually has two compartments, the top here and then the bottom of the phone. So I just did the measurements myself and I created the layers, and then I also layered the phone piece here, which this is a stationary piece, but it's just so cute and I wanted it to look more dimensional, so I just put an inner circle here, a stitched circle, so that it looked more dimensional. And then I'm thinking all I need to do is put something in the centers here, maybe something on the phone, and then decorate the middle, and then in the bottom part here, and then of course fill it with goodies. Maybe like the top I might make some bows, and then the bottom, I don't know, maybe altar paper clips or flowers. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna come back on towards the ending of January or maybe the first week of February to do, my outgoing swap project shares, and it'll be all individual to the person who's, getting the swap, so it won't be like all three at once. So again, this is the first base that I did. Oh, and for the paper collection, before I forget, so for two of the swaps, I'm using heart eyes and a mix of another collection, but I haven't figured out what collection yet. And then the third swap is going to be a mix of love notes and a recollections paper pad from Michaels, which is older, maybe last year or the year before. It's not their newer one this year. So those are the collections that I'm going to be working with. And let's see. So the next project that I worked on were these tote bags, which I shared in my guest design team video for Anna, who is my Crafting World Designs. And this is one of her newest dies that she has in her shop. This is her January release. Super cute. This die is so easy to put together. I love the handles. It cuts like butter, 110-pound cardstock, no issues. I made one as a shaker. This is the heart eyes. This one is just using dies in my stash. And then this one is just using the dies that come with the bag. And so I'm going to actually embellish this a little more. In my video, I wanted to share that, you know, you don't really need anything extra. Everything that the set comes with, it's perfect. It looks beautiful. But I think for me, I'm going to add some flowers to this one. And then I think that one will be done. So again, this is the only finished project. Actually, this is done except for I have to add flowers to this one here. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that after this video, I think. So I made those, and then I made these here. So this is a tutorial from Ebony, who is sharing more. Hey Ebony, thanks for this tutorial. It's super cute and it fits exactly what I wanted it for. Like when I saw, you know, when you showed this on Instagram, I was like, oh my gosh, that might be perfect for a pokey tool and a beaded pen. And then when I made it, it fits. And so that's what I'm going to gift in these. So again, I'll link Ebony's tutorial down below. But what it is this is a slider box. And there's 2 cracker boxes in here. So super cute. And then what she does is, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna put handles, like a handle on it, so it looks like a bag. And of course, like I said, decorate the outside of the box. But so this paper is the Michaels paper. Isn't it cute? Pretty. I don't know the name of it. I don't have it next to me, so I'm not sure, but it's an older one. And this is the heart eyes. And so, like I said, I had to test it. This is the beaded pen that I made. And you have to put it in this way because otherwise the pen goes through the bottom here. But if you put it like that, it fits in perfect. And then pokey tool. Let me see if I have a pokey tool nearby. I thought I did. I don't. But okay. Oh, here it is. All right. So I plan on making pokey tools. And you see, it fits perfect. It's a perfect set. So I'm so happy she came out with this tutorial. And again, I just have to finish up decorating, and then I'm going to make the pokey tools and the pens, and then make the straps, and then decorate it, and then they'll be done. So love this. So I made those. And then the other 3 things I made were these. So these are super cute. So these are claw machines. This is a KSCraft claw machine die. Whoops. And I just think these turned out so cute. These are the cabochons that I recently hauled. Somebody, one of my followers, asked if I ever share projects using what I've hauled. And I told her I do. And so this is one of them. So there's the Valentine M&M bag, and then the airheads, and then the Japanese candy there, and then here's a drink coming out of the the prize, you know, where you get the prize from, and then the controller is there. Isn't it so cute? And the claw. So again, so this is the KSCraft banner on all of them. Cupid, kisses, and love. But that's all I did. I still have to find something to decorate here. I think I'm going to add a banner coming down like that. So yeah, so this one is, I mean, there's nothing else I can do to it but just decorate them. So I made these claw machines. And then for, not everybody's going to have the same projects. So those are the only ones that are similar. I did make this envelope here. It's a special delivery envelope. This is an older, I think it's KLJUYP, their store. That's KSCraft's like sister store. It's a very old die. when I tried to look back, because they don't have it anymore. It was like 5 years ago, I think. So it's a like a mail envelope here. It's pretty thin, like you can't fit anything bulky in here. So I still have to figure out what I'm gonna put in this one, but I only made one for that. And then this is the KSCraft mailbox, which is such a good size. This is like their older mailbox. And I have a tutorial on how to put this together. I can link that down below if you have the die or if you're going to go ahead and purchase it. But it opens, and I layered the back there. It's very sturdy. I used 110-pound cardstock, and then I layered it. So again, just the base. So this is going to get decorated. And I think that's all the projects I have. I put everything into baskets. That's how what I'm doing this year too. So for example, I just threw these in here, but I use these Dollar Tree baskets, and so I have 3 of them. And so as I'm doing the projects for the recipient, it goes into their basket. If I buy anything for that person, you know, it goes into their basket, so that way I don't get confused. So like in here, you know, I have the phone, the special delivery. I have some things, some socks I purchased, a headband. So that's another way how I'm keeping organized. So I have the baskets, and I only have 3 baskets because I'm trying to stick with 3 swaps. I mean, I could do 4 maybe, and I do have extra baskets, but this is just keeping me much more organized, because at Christmas, oh my gosh, you guys, I had bought so many things to put into my swaps, and I found them after the fact, because, you know, my closet was just, it was full with things for my family that I was buying, for myself. And so once Christmas was done and we're putting everything away, I found so many things that should have went into swaps, and it's because I couldn't find it. I was just so unorganized. So this year I'm turned over a new leaf. I'm trying a different technique, and I hope it works. But stay tuned, because I am gonna come back on again showing everything completed, the whole swap. And I hope you all will be around and stick around to see that. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day. Happy Thursday, and I'll see you soon. Bye.